video we are going to be showing you different sneezes. Okay, first of all, brother, a chew. Then little sissy, a chew. Then mum, a chew. Then dad, a chew. Then grandma, a chew. Then granddad, a chew. Granddad. I think that's enough.